Welcome to another beautiful spring day here in New England. And yes, technically, it's spring. That's okay. I'm out here slightly later than usual because it was not so much that it was raining, but that it was not bright enough to film. But the sun is up there behind the clouds. Today we're talking about eating your first low carb dinner. So if you're thinking of setting out on this clean low carb lifestyle, and I sure hope you are, because there are so many benefits. I am Eileen, and I've reversed the worst of my Alzheimer's symptoms simply by changing my diet to clean low carb. Uh, and that's what I'm talking about here at my 30-day walk and talk. But it sounds intimidating. It sounds crazy. If you think not clean low carb, but keto diet, it sounds like a lot of weird food, and you don't want weird food. You like real food, familiar food, comfort food. So the first thing I want to do, or maybe the third thing, this is day 3, is to disabuse you, how about that for a word, of the notion that keto food is weird food. I suppose it can be, but it doesn't have to be. At its core, well, I was going to say it's meat and potatoes. It's sort of meat and potatoes, but we don't eat potatoes so much. It's meat and broccoli. That's really it. So you don't have to go and change your whole life overnight. Excuse me. But uh, I'd like you to try a couple of steps just to get your toe in the water and your feet wet. And one of those is just to say, okay, tonight I'll try eating a low carb dinner. And you can jump out there on the interwebs and find your favorite chef, cook, keto creator. But I'm telling you that what you're eating now could be pretty close to clean low carb anyway. So for example, last night we ate out of order. We usually eat tacos on Tuesday, but we ate them on Thursday. But tacos are keto. The only thing is, you don't eat the tortilla shell, right? You don't have a corn shell and you don't have a soft flour tortilla. But you can just either eat it taco salad style, a nice bowl of that seasoned ground beef, and throw in sour cream and shredded cheese and lettuce and tomato and onion, or, oh, and a squeeze of lime. Or you have all of that good stuff, but you make a homemade cheese shell, which are so much more delicious than corn and flour shells. They just break kind of easy. What else? I had meatballs on Wednesday. Now, most meatballs are made with breadcrumbs, but you can make meatballs very simply with a different binding agent, crushed pork rinds or almond flour, and I also throw in some grated Parmesan cheese. Easy. Or maybe you're a meat and potatoes person, so just have meat, but instead of potatoes, have peppers and onion. So I just want you to have one. Just plan on one clean low carb meal, and you'll see that it's pretty doable. Okay, if you want more tips on clean low carb, if you want all 30 ideas at once, check out the description for some links. Let's all stay strong, wise, kind, and good by choosing good food for good health. Bye.